If you are a beginner solar engineer or installer, there are 5 major tools I want to recommend that you have for a start. And the reason why I'm recommending these tools is because when you have quality tools, it will help you to do a faster work, it will help you to do a cleaner and neater job, it will also help you to do safer connection, it will help you to do a long-lasting installation, and overall it will make your work very, very easy. So number 1 on the list is this guy. This is a drilling machine. Some people call it screwing machine, and the reason why they call it screwing machine is because there is a drilling machine, and majorly this is used for screwing. But you can use this to drill, especially the ones that have impact like this. There are some of these machines that doesn't have impact, so those ones you can't use it to drill, you can only use them to screw. But this has impact, so you can use it to drill on the wall, you can penetrate the wall, and also you want to use it on the roof, probably to screw on the roof, or probably also drill, it can do the work for you. That's number 1. Number 2 is that for people who likes to fabricate, probably you want to make hole on breaker box or anywhere, and you want the hole to be accurate and precise as possible, you can use this machine together with this guy, and then make whatever hole you want to do, and then you are good to go. Number 2 on the list is this guy. This is called multimeter. This is a multimeter, this is a multimeter, but the difference between this and this is that this has higher quality compared to this. But for a start, if you cannot afford this, you can start with this. And why this one is very important is because it helps you to do testing. There's no, you want to do voltage testing on the solar panels, inside the house, on the inverter, on the battery, anywhere, this will help you do whatever testing you want to do. And there's no way you can survive as a solar engineer without multimeter. It is not possible. So this is highly recommended. The next on the list is this guy. This is called battery analyzer. And the reason why I'm recommending a battery analyzer is because as a beginner, you don't start getting fresh projects, new projects the very day you launch. So you might probably be getting clients who want to come and help you troubleshoot or do maintenance. And one of the tools that you are going to be needing is this analyzer, especially for clients, majorly rather, for clients who are using lead acid battery. So you will need this because this is used to carry out tests on lead acid battery. It tells you the condition of the battery, whether the battery is in good condition or in a bad state. This will tell you. You can as well use multimeter to do this kind of testing, but multimeter will not give you the details, unlike the details that this one is going to give to you. So this is why I'm recommending this. The next on the list is this guy. This is called Crimping Tool, and you can as well call it MC4 Connector. This is MC4 in my hand. It is the plug that is normally connected to the cable of solar panels. So in case you want to do any connection from the solar panels to the solar cables, or between the solar cables and the inverter, or whichever way, you might need this guy. It will help you to do a very strong connection. A lot of people use plier, but I recommend this. There are quality ones than this, but if you don't have money for those higher ones, you can start with this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, follow us. If you want us to come and audit for you, feel free to send us a DM today. See you in another video.